Welcome to Manny Pagan Travel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Currently, right now, I am in Quebec City, Canada. A very spontaneous trip because we were just supposed to go to Montreal. We did that already, but we decided to come up here and explore it since we were like, well, we're only like 2 hours and a half away. And when is the next time that we're gonna come to Montreal? So we decided to come, and it's very beautiful from what we just seen so far. We're gonna go to a park where you actually get some really good shots of the chalet, I think that's what you call it. So that's where we're heading to right now, and let's see if we can get some really nice shots here. Really nice. So we're headed to Park Montmorency, and again, I probably butcher all these names. I don't speak French, but should be a really nice place to get a really nice shot. There's my wife, she's already tired.
Listen, my legs are tired from the staircases that you made me go up yesterday.
Yeah, so if you watched the Montreal video, you would know what she's talking about. But man, very charming, very nice streets here. But it is very cold up here. Definitely colder than Montreal for sure. Along the way it was snowing, and all over this you see snow. All right, not much, but any little precipitation you see here, yeah, it's gonna be snow. Actually, in fact, that whole area right there is pretty frozen. I mean, it's like 30 degrees right now, but the way it feels is probably like 20 something. And you know, this is not the worst of the temperatures you can feel here in the city, but yeah, definitely colder than New Jersey for sure. So these are all these cannons you see here from the old city. And did you know that this is the only city that is fortified by walls north from Mexico? So pretty interesting. You know, you have places like St. Augustine that have the forts and stuff like that, but the whole city is not covered or, you know, basically protected by city walls, but this city is. So very nice. That's the chateau. It's all the way up there. So we'll see maybe on our way out if we can go up there and check it out, the view from up there before we leave. But we definitely don't want to leave our parking spot because we got a parking spot for 12 Canadian till 10 a.m., which is probably one of the cheapest parking spots we've had this whole trip. Probably comes out to like $8. So awesome, better than these that only allow you to park like 2 hours and you have to worry about it. So much better. So here is the famous hotel. It's right up there. I tried to get a room actually, but completely booked for the whole time, so not gonna happen, but spectacular. The views are absolutely amazing. Okay, so that was an absolutely perfect place to take that amazing, iconic picture or portrait. So here's the portrait right here, check it out. Isn't that lovely? So now we're going to walk up to the actual hotel and see what it looks like up there. Right outside of the park, you can actually, you know, you gotta go around because they have this closed for some reason. Don't know why. Maybe it's because they need to shovel it. Don't want people getting hurt. So you see the charming city right there all over. So we're gonna go up these stairs to go all the way up to the hotel and check out the views from up there.
Bien, amigo.
More stairs. And we're getting closer. Okay, so we are right in front of the Chateau St. Louis. And this is where most people are going to come and take a nice picture here. But in my opinion, where we took the picture was much better because you have absolutely nobody in the picture except the beautiful building. And it must be an arm and a leg to stay in this place. Completely booked for New Year's, and everyone is happy and excited to be here. You can do, it looks like, I don't know, something with snow over there. I don't know, that's what it looks like to me. And there's a fort up there. You can visit the fort. Now, mind you, we're only gonna be here maybe 3-4 hours tops because we have a long drive back to Jersey. So we're not gonna be able to explore the whole thing, but I think that we will definitely be back here in this beautiful city in the summertime, because the winter time is very cold here. But probably in the summertime we'll definitely come back here. But it looks beautiful. I see some chandeliers in there. Very nice. Right here. So they have the kind of like a burnt caramel treat where they pour the caramel on the ice and you roll it up and you eat it like that. That's pretty cool. So in fact it is kind of like a snow tubing or snow slide, something like that.
Oh, and I think, honestly, I think you use not tube because the thing
yeah,
is not
it's
big.
so small, right?
I think it's a sled. It's sledding. So it's a sled race. Like everybody's on their own sled and you slide.
Interesting. Very nice. All right, so all throughout this hilly, amazing city, you're gonna see some nice shops. Oh, she wants to go into one. And this is Rue de Petit Champagne. Beautiful, guys. Look at this. What an amazing city. This is amazing, guys. I truly do feel like I'm back in Europe. Wow. It's just that style, the architecture from Europe. It's absolutely amazing.
Yeah, you can take a picture here.
So the holiday spirit is definitely here. Guys, this is Rue Cul-de-Sac, say, and very nice area as well to take beautiful pictures. They have some great restaurants here to check out. It's beautiful, guys. We seem to have reached some kind of square, and that's the Church Notre Dame that they have here in Quebec City. But man, you really don't need to travel all the way to Europe if you're an American, you're living in the East Coast. You don't have to travel super far to get a Europe feel. Just come here to Quebec City, Canada. Okay, so our time is coming close to an end, so we're gonna try gochong dingwe. My friends were here last week and they recommended it, so let's see how it is. This has mango. I forgot the name of it, but I'll try. It's like a fizzy drink.
Like Sprite.
Yeah, it's like a fizzy drink.
Carbonated.
Not bad. All right, French onion looks good. How was it?
This one's even better than the other one we had.
Really?
This one's really good. Really, really good.
I will verify that. Let's see. Yeah, it's more seasoned for sure. It's good. All right, so you got the what, seafood?
Seafood linguine.
It's good. Okay, and I got also seafood dish. That's like this flaky bread. It's really good.
Yeah, that does look
Let me
good.
try it. It's delicious. Amazing.
Wow.
It has lobster, shrimp, scallops, salmon. Phenomenal, guys. Latte is great. I just add a little bit of hot chocolate on it. And it tastes amazing. I need it. It's a long drive back to Jersey. All right, guys. It was amazing. It came out to like $116, so it was kind of pricey. But you know, there's always tax here in Canada, pretty high tax. But the food was great.
Food was great. The service was great.
Yeah.
The server we had was so nice.
It was awesome. So
Very attentive.
I loved it. I will definitely return to this wonderful city. But now it's time to leave, so we say goodbye to Quebec City. It's in our hearts.